ANYTRON Digital Print Pro.
Tamerlan Marketing, based in Tashkent, Uzbekistan, recently opened a new 20,000 square meter production facility to support its growing processed food operations. As production volumes increased, the company found that outsourced label printing led to longer lead times and limited flexibility, particularly when managing multiple product variations. To address these challenges, Tamerlan Marketing installed the ANYTRON ANY-JET II, bringing processed food packaging label production in-house. The move has enabled the company to streamline its labeling workflow, reduce delays, and gain greater control over label quality and production schedules. By integrating digital label printing into its production workflow, Tamerlan Marketing has strengthened control, efficiency, and flexibility across its packaging operations, supporting the next phase of its growth.